Hello everyone. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss about the wait activity in a Microsoft Fabric. Wait activity in Microsoft Fabrics adds a delay between activities in your pipeline. Suppose you have created a pipeline. Suppose this is my copy data pipeline. Copy data pipeline, and after that what is happening? Another copy data pipeline has to run. Another copy data pipeline has to run. But what actually you want? First this pipeline will complete, right? First this pipeline will complete. You want to have a 10 minutes gap, or suppose you want to have a 1 minutes gap. 1 minutes gap. In this case, what actually we can do? We can use a wait activity. So what will happen? First copy data activity will run, and after that 1 minutes gap will be there. Then the copy data 2 activity will run. So with the help of the wait activity, we can pause the pipeline for the some time. Now let's take another example. Suppose you are fetching a data from a API and you want to copy this data into your lakehouse. Now sometime what happens when you are fetching a data from API, right? Because of some issue, this can fail. This can fail. So you are fetching a data from API and suppose your pipeline got failed. So instead of triggering it again on that particular time, what actually you can do? You can wait for some time. You can wait for 5 minutes. So in this case, what actually I can use? If it is failed, so I will wait for 5 minutes. After that, I will use a retry option. With the help of the retry option, again I will try to invoke the pipeline. So in that kind of the scenario, to wait for some time, what actually we can use? We can use a wait activity. Now suppose you have created one pipeline. What actually it is doing? First it is copying a data into a bronze layer. Then it is copying a data into the silver layer. Then it is copying a data into a gold layer. Now what actually you can do? First it got copied into the bronze layer, right? Now after that, what actually you can do? You can wait for some time period and then you can invoke the load into the silver layer. So for this logic, what actually I can use? I can use a wait activity, and I can wait for some time. Then it will load into the silver. Then it will load into the gold. So I hope you got the idea about the wait activity. Let's try to see in the practical. So I open a fabric. So this is a pipeline. Now suppose you want to add a wait activity. So what you have to do? Go into the activity tab. Come here. You will see one option, wait activity. Click here. Just connect it. It's very simple. Click on the wait. Go to the setting. It will ask wait time in seconds. Suppose you want to wait it for the 5 minutes. So what actually you can write? 300. So 300 is nothing but a 5 minute, right? So like that in a second you can mention. What will happen after running this pipeline? It will wait for this